आप अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ किसी ट्रिप पे गए हो and suddenly you said something to one of your friend and later you're like, I shouldn't have said that. Now, even when you're back home, you're just thinking about this incident. Why did I say that? I shouldn't have said it. What this person might be thinking about it. What other people might be thinking about me. What if they are thinking that I'm so insensible? And after thinking about it for several days, you messaged your friend, hey, I'm sorry. And your friend replies, sorry for what? And you're like, sorry for what I said during the trip. And then your friend is like, I don't even remember that. तो ये होती है ओवर थिंकिंग, जहां हम राई का पहाड़ बना देते हैं और हम उन प्रॉब्लम्स का सोल्यूशन ढूंढने लग जाते हैं जो प्रॉब्लम एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करती हैं. एंड देन वी आर स्टक इन अ लूप ऑफ ओवर थिंकिंग. हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल. दिस इज ज़हीन सिद्दीकी. आई होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग ग्रेट एंड इवन इफ few things are here and there, I believe in it that you have got all the ability to manage it well. Overthinking is something we all deal with on daily basis, and sometimes we get so overwhelmed with our thoughts that it becomes difficult to control our mind. In this video, I'm going to talk about 5 ways to stop overthinking. So without any further ado, let's get started. Number 1 is journaling. Journaling is a great way to clear your mind. When you are overwhelmed with your thoughts, it's always a good idea to write down everything on a paper. It helps you process your thoughts better. When you're stuck in a loop of overthinking, it becomes really difficult to understand what you're thinking makes sense or you're just being irrational. And you know, most of the times what we think is not true. Though I started journaling with the intention to control my overthinking, but you know, later I realized that it's a great tool to create self-awareness. You get to know things about yourself that you never knew before. So schedule a worry time 10 to 15 minutes every day and write down everything on a paper. Number 2 is meditation. There are several mindfulness techniques that helps you to be in the present moment. As I am someone who deals with anxiety issue, I follow meditation religiously and it really helps me to keep my mind calm. Meditation can be as simple as sitting in a quiet place for 5 minutes and focusing on your breath. And you know, most of the times our mind runs on autopilot and meditation really helps in grounding yourself. Number 3 is indulge yourself in a hobby. One of the most effective way to overcome overthinking is to indulge yourself into a hobby that you love. When you feel stuck in your mind, move your body, hit the gym or just go for a walk outside. You can perform hobbies such as dancing, singing, painting or anything that you love, or else you can play an outdoor game with your friends. These activities releases feel-good hormones in your body and it really helps in reducing stress and anxiety. Also, it helps you to be in the present moment. Number 4 is practice self-compassion. Sometimes we dwell on our past mistakes for too long and we just can't let it go. We are quick to forgive other people, but when it's about ourselves, we cannot let go of our mistakes. You know, we all are humans and mistake is a part of our lives. So stop bashing yourself for it. Be kind to yourself and let go of any criticism. Number 5 is seek help. When you are too overwhelmed with your thoughts and you are not able to control your emotions, then reach out to people you trust, your friend, family, or even a therapist. It's always a good idea to reveal your thoughts to someone and speak about it because you know, bottling it up will impact your mental health. And remember this, you're not alone and people are always happy to help. So these were my 5 suggestions to control overthinking. Is there anything else that you practice? Let me know in the comment section. And thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care.